Hello my dear students, lecture number 7 for CBSE board, chapter number 7 coordinate geometry. In this lecture I am going to explain you some example from exercise 7.3, question number 1, number 2. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 5, 2. These are vertices of triangle given. Find area of triangle. Solution. Area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2. Now here I use direct formula. Minus 5 into bracket minus 5 minus 2 plus 3 into bracket 2 minus 5 2 minus 1 plus 5 into bracket minus 1 minus 5, that is plus 5, and therefore A is equal to 1 upon 2. Simplify this. 1 upon 2 minus 5 into minus 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 4 gives you 35 plus 9 plus 20 upon 2, and hence area of triangle is equal to 32 square units. Okay. Question number 2. Find K if points are collinear. Now these are 3 points given and these 3 points are collinear. 7, minus 2, 5, 1, 3K. Since points are collinear, area of triangle, so if these 3 points are collinear, then area form in triangle form, area of triangle formed by these points is equal to 0. So area of triangle is equal to 0, and therefore you know area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2, 7 into bracket 1 minus k plus 5 into bracket k minus 2, that is plus 2, plus 3 into bracket minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore 1 upon 2, 7 minus 7k plus 5k minus 10 minus 9 is equal to 0, and therefore this minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0, and therefore minus 2k is equal to minus 8, and hence k is equal to 4. Okay. Question number 2. 8 1 k minus 4 2 minus 5 are vertices of triangle. Okay. Again these points are collinear. Since points are collinear, area of triangle formed by points is 0, and therefore area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2, 8 into minus 4 plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 plus 2, this 2 into 1 minus 4, that is plus 4, is equal to 0. Simplify this. 1 upon 2 into bracket 8 into 1 plus k minus 6 plus 2 into 5 is equal to 0, and therefore 8 minus 6k plus 10 is equal to 0, and therefore minus 6k is equal to minus 18, and therefore k is equal to 3. Question number 3. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1 and 0, 3. find ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Okay. Solution. Given triangle ABC is equal to 0, -1, 2, 1, 0, 3. Let P, Q, R be the midpoints. Now, therefore, triangle area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2, 0 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 minus 3. So if you simplify this, you will get 1 upon 2. So this is 0, this is also 0. So this is 2 into 4 gives you 8, and 8 upon 2 is equal to 4 square unit. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 square unit. Then you find area of points joining midpoints of sides. So let P is midpoint of side AB, and therefore Pxy is equal to 0 plus 2 upon 2 and minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So coordinates of P is equal to 1, 0. Similarly find coordinates of Q. Q is midpoint of BC. So Q is equal to 2 plus 0 upon 2. 1 plus 3 upon 2 gives you 1, 2. And R is midpoint of AC. R xy is equal to 0 plus 0 upon 2 minus 1 plus 3 upon 2 gives you 0, 1. And then find, now these are coordinates of triangle PQR, find area. So area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket 1 into bracket 2 minus 1 plus 1 into bracket 1 minus 0 plus 0 into bracket 0 minus 2. Okay. Now this is 1 upon 2 is equal into bracket, this is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 plus 0 and is equal to 2 upon 2 and is equal to 1 square unit. And therefore area of triangle PQR is to area of triangle ABC is equal to 1:4. You can solve this equation by geometrical proof also. Okay. Question number 4. Find the area of quadrilateral. Now this is a quadrilateral given. A is equal to -4 minus 2, B -3 minus 5, C 3 minus 2, D 2, 3. Find the area of this quadrilateral. Now here you join AC, so this AC is a diagonal. Bisect make what divides triangle, this quadrilateral, into two triangles. Find the area of this triangle. Find the area of this triangle. Add these two areas, you will get area of quadrilateral. Okay. Now A, B, C, D are these 4 points. I write them in the vertical, okay, below each other, so that it is easy to detect me. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 ABC. So -4 into bracket -5 -2, that is +2, -3 into bracket -2 plus 2, okay, plus 3 into bracket -2 plus 5. If you simplify this, you will get 1 upon 2 -4 into -3 into 0 plus 3 into 3, so is equal to 12 plus 9 upon 2 and is equal to 21 upon 2, and therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 21 upon 2 square units. Equation number 1. Similarly, you find area of triangle ACD. So area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket minus 4 into bracket minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 into bracket 3 plus 2 into bracket minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket minus 4 into minus 5 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 0. So is equal to 1 upon 2 into 20 plus 15. So is equal to 35 upon 2 square units. And therefore area of ACD is equal to 35 upon 2 square units. Equation number 2. So now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD, and is equal to 21 upon 2 plus 35 upon 2 gives you 56 upon 2 is equal to 28 square units. Okay. Question number 5. Median of a triangle divides it, that means triangle, into two triangles of equal area. Verify this result. Okay, this is a triangle ABC given, in which A is equal to 4 minus 6, B is equal to 3 minus 2 and C is equal to 5 2. AD is median, so D is midpoint of what BC. So find this point using midpoint formula. Okay, since AD is median, D is midpoint of AC, so using midpoint formula, dx comma y is equal to 3 plus 5 upon 2 and y coordinate minus 2 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 40, and therefore D is equal to 40. Find the area of this triangle and find the area of this triangle and verify whether these areas are equal or not. Okay. Now area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2 4 into bracket 0 plus 2 plus 4 into bracket minus 2 plus 6 plus 3 into bracket minus 6 0. So is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket 8 plus 16 minus 18 is equal to 6 upon 2 gives you 3 square units. Statement number 1. Similarly, area of a triangle ADC is equal to 1 upon 2 4 into bracket 0 minus 2 plus 4 into bracket 2 plus 6 plus 5 into bracket minus 6. If you simplify this, you will get 1 upon 2 into bracket minus 8 plus 32 minus 30 is equal to minus 6 upon 2 is equal to minus 3. So is equal to plus 3 square units. And from 1 and 2, area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle ADC, and hence median divides triangle into two triangles of equal areas. Okay, so in this way this chapter is also over. So thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.